Hello, welcome to another video. This time I'm going to show you how I transfer my sensation plants to bigger seedling bags. Someone asked is it necessary to put one chip in one pot or seedling bag. So it depends on your preferences. Like when propagating this plant using the method I showed you, you may use big pot or even plastic basin, then let all the chips produce new plants before transferring to your desired pot. Or like what I did, one chip, one seedling bag. This is the size of the seedling bag that I use. First, I fill the bags half with soil. Then I add more soil gradually as the plants are growing bigger. I use seedling bags because sensation plants needs to be transferred to a bigger pot if we want them to grow bigger in its maximum size. And aside from that, seedling bags are cheaper. So how will you going to determine if the plant need a larger pot or space or more soil? So when the roots are growing out of the pot's holes and the soil is dried out, generally you will notice that the plant is bigger than the pot and the plant is striving to fit in. Then that's the time to transfer in a larger pot. Take a look at this next plant. As you can see, masikip na. So you will see the chip. Naturally, it will separate itself from the new plant. But most of the time, I pluck it due to excitement maybe. But just make sure the new plant has its roots already. Then you may pluck the chip. This next plant, one chip that produce two new plants. So you can pluck the chip also because the chip will produce another new plant until it will not rot or die. It will still produce new sensation plant. So what you're going to do with this, you have to separate. Just be careful and make sure that each of them have its own roots already. Then you can separate the two new plants. Just be careful. Otherwise, if the other one will not get or have its roots, then it will die. Yes. So this is how easy to propagate sensation plant. You just have to have patience. So far, after a month, you can see results, and the mother plant also will recover in 1 or 2 months. So normal lang na para siyang parang mamamatay, but maka-recover din yan in 1 or 2 months. So luckily today I have animal manure I use as fertilizer. So these are the plants that I transferred. So this is gonna be the last batch. Here also I have another sensation. I separated from those newly transferred plant because they are being eaten by slugs and snails. So this is the mother plant. So as you can see, fully recovered. Thank you so much for watching.